would you say that social media in general is a blessing or a curse?
Ano, sabi ko sa'yo, kaya ko pumunta dito, di ba? So we have... Oh, may question ka agad. Ang aga naman yan. The society influence media or media influence society? Grabe, hirap naman ang tanong na yan. Pero try natin sagutin since activist na naman ako. So, I believe both parties are actually influence each other. So, society in influencing media kasi kung ano yung nakikita ng media from the society is pinapakita niya lang through media itself. While society naman, na-influensyahan din siya ng media, especially din sa mga rural places. Syempre, hindi sila masyadong na-experience yung mga na-experience from the live events sa mga area, diba? So, any suggestion or question pa to answer? Marquisha? Sure. You can join. Accept ko yung invite mo.
Ayan, so I actually saw the comment, no? And for me, I'd say it's both kasi media reflects kung ano yung nangyayari sa society or culture, issues, and trends. Pero at the same time, media also shapes how people think and act. Like it sets standards of what's normal or important. So it's really a cycle, no? Society influences media and at the same time, media influences society back. So parang may gusto pang magdagdag. Yes, go Caitlin.
Sa akin naman, media influences society. Kasi kung ano yung madalas ipakita, yung standards, news, or trends, nagiging basehan siya ng mga tao. And media has the power to shape how people think and even set what is considered normal.
Grabe naman yung mga sagutan nyo. Perfect. Pero may mas perfect ko ba sa kung nasan ako ngayon? Kaya super init, hindi pa ka nakapaglagay ng sunscreen. So, end ko muna yung call. Pero kung cool, so at least napuntahan ka, diba?